Okay, so now what we will do is we will talk about wheels, pulleys, and blocks. Okay, the very first thing that we will see is pulleys. Pulleys are graded wheel that has a rope that is threaded around it. So usually what do you see in a pulley is something like this that have axle that they can rotate either clockwise or counterclockwise depending. And then around this there is a groove that thread can be, usually it's not just a thread, but it is a kind of a thread, can be go around it. In one of the ends of the rope, you will see that the load is attached with, and on the other one we will see effort. Now, it's not that they always, the load is on the left and the effort is on the right. They can be interchangeable. But the whole purpose of the pulleys is that it makes lifting the load, the work to lift the load, very easy, very easy. There are two types of pulleys. One that is a fixed pulley, that it doesn't move. And this is an example of a fixed pulley. So the pulley itself is fixed, is attached with an object that doesn't move. Usually what you will see on those kind of fixed pulley is you will see a block that is like this. And then in one side is the load, and on the other side is the effort that you are exerting to lift that load up. And the other one is, the other type is that is known as the movable pulley. Movable pulley. The word is saying it, but what it does is that the pulley itself moves. So a picture or a way that you will see a movable pulley is when you have a rope that goes around the pulley like this. However, in the pulley you have the load. And then the effort is here. The effort that you are applying is here. So it's kind of moving along with the load. The load and the pulley are connected with each other. Okay, so examples of the pulleys are plenty. You probably go to gym and then you have lifted those weights. You will see that it is all about pulley. Or if you have in your home, if you have a flagpole, then it's a pulley. Clotheslines are pulleys as well. Okay. Another lever that is used into our simple machine, that is used even in our everyday life, is the wheels and the axles. What it is, it consists, the wheels and the axles consist in large wheels secured with a round fulcrum that is called the axles. Okay, so an example of wheel and axles is the platform in which the cars, every car has a certain platform that has four wheels, and then those four wheels are connected between each other with uh, uh, with axles that allow the wheels and the car itself to move and to turn from point A to point B. Especially the turn is very important in wheels and axles. Uh, However, those are as simple as when we have a faucet handle, when you have those kind of old-fashioned faucets that you rotate. It is an axle, wheel and axles. A doorknob that you rotate is an example of axles. Steering wheels, of course, or gears on a bicycle are again the example of wheels and axles. Okay, so or when you are using those wrenches to either tie a nut, then they are also wheels and axles. Okay. However, everything that is done at the very end is done to put less effort into the required work that we have.